Hi everyone, 您好 Welcome to Smart Mandarin for Beginners. 我是 Maggie, 您好吗 This is what we believe the best way for learning Mandarin. If this is your first time to watch our video, please press the subscribe button on the right bottom. Session 19. Presenting days and times. 今天 literally means current day is today. 今天明天 next day is tomorrow. 明天昨天 yesterday. 昨天前天 literally means before day is the day before yesterday. 前天后天 literally means after day, the day after tomorrow. 后天早上 literally means early above. It means early morning. 早上早上好 Good morning. 上午 literally means above noon, means morning. 上午中午 literally means mid-noon, is noon or midday. 中午 If midday means 12 o'clock that moment, then the Chinese 中午 is rather a period of time anywhere between 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. We can use 中午。下午 literally means below noon, is afternoon. 下午傍晚 literally means nestled late, is dusk. 傍晚黄昏 literally means yellow diesel, is twilight or nightfall. 黄昏晚上 literally means late above, is evening. 晚上夜里 夜 means night, 里 means inside, it means at night. 夜里凌晨 literally means rise high morning, it dawn. 凌晨今天上午 literally means today morning, means this morning. When presenting times in Chinese, the basic rule is from big to small. Today morning, because today is bigger than the morning. 今天上午昨天晚上 yesterday evening. In English, we also say last night. 昨天晚上明天下午 tomorrow afternoon. 明天下午几 How many, how much, which or what number 几今天几号 literally means today which number. What's the date today? 今天几号今天12号 Today is the 12th. 今天12号 There's no articles in Chinese, and here we also omitted is 是 although you can say 今天是12号你几号去瑞典 literally means you which day go to Sweden. When are you going to Sweden? 你几号去瑞典16号 The 16th 16号 Thank you for watching. 你很棒，谢谢，再见。If you like our video, please press our like button and subscribe. See you next time.